Qudus Adebayo. Qudus's talk is titled Representation of Second Language Writing and Writers in Academic Discourse. Thank you, Qudus.
That's me in the center. Yoruba is my native language. I learned English in school and picked up Nigerian Pidgin from my environment. I can write in these 3 languages, but what do you call me? Do you call me a non-native or a multilingual writer of English? These labels did not matter to me until graduate school, when I started engaging with scholarly works within the field of second language writing. I saw that scholars have different ideas about the ways we second language writers learn to write, the quality of writing we produce, the way we are taught, and who we are. And these ideas change over time. For example, because the term non-native writer could present us as deficient compared to the native writers of a language, I see more recent studies using the term multilingual writers to highlight our ability to write in multiple languages. If this shift in terminologies is happening, then there must be a kind of change in the way scholars are thinking in the field. Then I thought, how have scholars' ideologies and descriptions of second language writing changed over time? This is the main question that my thesis will seek to answer. As a foundation for my work, I thought about how our language use is never neutral. The ways we use language can reflect and be influenced by our worldviews. To answer my research question, I have compiled 28 years of articles from the Journal of Second Language Writing. With the aid of text analysis software, I will analyze the data to see words that are increasing, decreasing, and stable in use. I'll also account for how these words have been used, particularly how they reflect second language writing scholars' ideologies over time. I'll also examine the historical, cultural, and social factors responsible for these changes. Preliminary analysis of my data has shown that between 1995 and 2022, the frequency of the word non-native decreased by about 50%, while the word multilingual increased by a staggering 2,000%. These findings reflect the field's increasing attention to the diverse, non-binary linguistic identities of writer. My research is significant because it is the first of its kind that will look at second language writing scholars' ideologies, particularly as reflected in their language use. It is also important because the findings from this study can show how our understanding of second language writing has changed over time, and this knowledge can help inform teaching and learning practices. It can also bring attention to how our language choices as researchers can impact not only our field, but also society at large, thereby calling for more inclusive and careful use of language in academia. Thank you.